What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing these LASFIT LED lights. Huge thank you to LASFIT for sending these bulbs out for me. Once again, this is a sponsored video. These are the LED lights that replace the stock ones that come in these Silverados. I believe these are 5,000 lumens each light, so that is a huge upgrade to the stock. If you guys are new to this channel, I have installed these in my Infinity, which replaced the HIDs to LED conversion. Let's get started with the installation. This side should just be a simple pop in and out, but the other side is going to require me to take apart the air box. I did put some before shots, so I will be posting those as I kind of before and after of this. I wanted to kind of show you what I kind of did to take it off. This little switch right here, it acts as a safety, like a safety lock. This guy right here, this was down. You just pretty much flip it up and it clicks, and then you're able just to pull off the thing and then disconnect this little harness right here. Size comparison, obviously the fan is huge, and then you have this little LED cover. So let's go ahead and take this off. First I'm going to plug it in and then go ahead. So I don't think I've mentioned, but this is a plug and play kit. Plug the harness into this, and then this kind of acts like as a resistor. I don't know what's in there. I think a fan, but this is the good stuff here. So I guess these connectors only go one way, which is kind of weird because I guess it's secured. Okay, so there we go. That's in. That's nice and secured now, not going anywhere. All of these wires are clicked into place. So now kind of being gentle with the wires, just kind of shove them back in. There we go. So now with that light, it is all sealed up. You see the arrow is facing down. A moment of truth right now, I'm about to hit my key switch and see if the light comes on. Oh man. Yeah, you could tell it's way brighter. It's even daytime and it's super bright. What the? And you can hear the fans going. It's pretty cool. Let's get started with the other side. This next light, you're gonna have to remove this air box and stuff. So kind of just loosen this up. I've already loosened it. And you can take off that mass airflow sensor, which yeah, I'm going to just pop up the red tab right here and then just kind of wiggle it out. There it goes, that's out. Got the boot out. Alright, so with this, be very careful since you do have the mass airflow sensor in there. If you drop this or anything, you're out like 600 bucks. Let's put this down. Let's put this inside the car. So now with the air box out of the way, it gives us way more access. So let's just pop off this clip right here. Oh, cut myself. So be careful with that. Ooh. There we go. Ah, my finger. Ah. Oh, I just dropped the bulb. Out with the old junk. I gotta pop this clip one-handed. Let's go. All right, trash. Not trash. Extra not trash. Ooh, look at the man, dude. The quality of this, like, not even just because they sponsored this video. Am I talking about like? I only like good things. If you guys haven't noticed, so. Yeah, this just, you could hear the metal like this. It's so freaking nice. Even like, I'm gonna say this once again, the packaging of a product is, appearance of a product is key. Like, I have my own business and stuff. That appearance and the way you ship things and deliver your product is key. I know I'm rambling on, but I just gotta admire this. It's freaking nice. So yep, give me 1 second, let me plug that in. I need 2 hands, so let me have my cameraman help me. So with this, you take your bulb, stick it in, make sure it goes in right. Goes in straight in, and once you feel it sit, All right, there it's sitting in. Now I'm gonna hit the switch. See if you guys can see this upside down. And LASFIT doesn't only make these products. They make pretty much every bulb, H11, H5. They make conversion kits for every type of application. So if you're watching this and you don't own a Chevy or like an Infinity, just go ahead and check out their website with my promo code, which is my last name, Silva, and then 10. You could save 10%. And yeah, so go ahead and check that out. I'll put a link in the description. All right, so with this harness plugged in, this power to the ballast or whatever it is plugged in, I hit the safety switch in there, so ka-chow, there we go. Let's put this back in there. All right, I need 2 hands for this, so boom, both of them are in. Kind of give it a little tug just to make sure, triple check everything's good. So that's in. Time to put these annoying clips back in. Ooh, ooh, it's kind of hard to stick it in the hole. Doesn't want to go in. Ooh, there we go. Perfect. So that's all snugged up. Time to put the air box back in. You don't need these dust covers anymore since the LASFIT came with them. All right, you guys, so they're in. I don't know if this is normal, but I guess you can hear the fans going. They're so much quieter. My buddy has the same lights and they're so much quieter. I don't know if they're the same brand or not, but all right, so that's it for this portion of the installation video. Now hopefully tonight we get some rain and I could show you guys what these lights look like in action. So yeah, here is what the lights look like in the night. So this is freaking bright as. Let me step out and show you guys. Sheesh. Man, that is dumb bright. Not even gonna lie. Got my dogs in there. Probably gonna run out. Man, look at the light pattern. So flat and just nice. Like, damn. What's up, dogs? What's up? So I just dimmed these lights down in the interior just to give you guys a better like viewing of how bright these actually are. Same thing with my Infinity. The light pattern is just so consistent that it's like perfect. It's just super bright all around. Like now, I mean, you guys see my windows. Can you see? No. But yeah, it's like, wow. Turn this back up a little bit. Overall, guys, I do really recommend these lights. They are super bright. They're not that expensive. If you use my promo code SILVA10, that could save you some money. So check them out. Check out the link in the description. They do offer rear tail lights as well, brake lights, any bulb. They pretty much offer it. And yeah, these bulbs are backed by a 2-year warranty, so that is great. They have customer support all the time. Just shoot them an email. Any question you guys have about installation or specific applications, just go ahead and submit them. Huge thank you to LASFIT for these bulbs and sending them out to me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.